Well, hello again mga ka-friendship. In today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gawin ang siopao in two ways. You can have it toasted or steamed. Ang siopao asado is a Filipino hot bun prepared with a sweet white dough filled with sweet soy sauce and minced chicken. Okay guys, ito lahat yung kailangan natin sa paggawa ng siopao dough. Dito sa milk, ilagay natin yung ating 8 grams na yeast. And, yan, natin din siyang mag-bubbles. Yan. Okay, so ihalo na natin sa ating 3 cups flour yung 8 grams baking soda and 4 grams na asin. Ihalo na rin natin yung ating 40 grams granulated white sugar. Now guys, in a mixing bowl, using the dough attachment tool, paghalu-haluin natin yung ating dry ingredients. Now guys, kapag nahalo na natin mabuti yung ating dry ingredients, idagdag na natin yung ating activated instant yeast, 10 grams white vinegar, at yung ating 20 grams na cooking oil. Then, hayaan lang natin siyang manid for 7 minutes at a medium speed. Habang inaantay nating manid yung ating dough, gagawin naman natin ngayon yung ating chicken filling. I-chop lang natin yung ating pre-cooked chicken. Ito is niluto ko siya sa oven with only black pepper and asin. Black pepper. Magdagdag na rin tayo guys ng konting hoisin sauce and mga 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Haluin mabuti and then maglagay na rin tayo ng konting flour. Now guys, gawin na rin natin yung ating siopao sauce. At ito yung ating mga ingredients sa paggawa ng sauce. So paghalu-haluin lang natin yung 1 cup na water, half cup hoisin sauce, granulated garlic, black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And magdagdag na rin tayo ng 1 tablespoon of dissolved cornstarch. Now we're done with the filling and the sauce, so we're ready for the next step. The dough is ready too, so we will now cut it into palm size. Now, i-flatten natin yung ating dough. Pwede na sa ating palms. And then, ilagay natin mga 1 tablespoon of the filling bago natin siya i-close. Guys, ito talaga yung paraan kung paano siya niluluto. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share!